can host and serve up your premise data, so things like store locations, ATMs for banks, or any kind of geolocation data on a map in minutes. And we're going to do this using the Bing Maps Locator wizard, which can be found at bingmapslocators.cloudapp.net. So the first thing we should do is to log on to the platform. So you can log on either via using Windows Live ID or using OpenID, and any of the providers who support OpenID. It's probably a good idea to log on using your Windows Live ID, as you will require a Bing Maps key, which you can only acquire through having a Windows Live ID in the first place. So I'm just going to log on using one of my email accounts. And when we come into the portal, it asks you to set up a username. And provide your email address that we can correspond with you on. And now we're presented with a number of different options for what we would like to use the platform for. So you can see at the top here in the top left there's a developer and basic account. These two are the accounts where when you can actually go through the wizard and have a locator set up immediately for you. The other options are all kind of around mobility applications, any kind of custom applications that you would like to have developed, and our general consulting and mapping practices are also outlined briefly here. So in-knowledge services, in-knowledge auxiliary services are also outlined on this page. I'm going to set up a basic locator in this instance. The developer locator is kind of targeted at users who want to download their locator when they've completed setting up the locator. So you can customize the locator, add your own imagery, change colors, add your data, and finish the locator setting it up, and then download the actual source code so that you can host it on your own premise, and you can take care of all the support and maintenance, make whatever changes you like to the code base, and host it wherever you like. I'm going to set up a basic locator, which is a hosted version that InKnowledge will actually host on your behalf. It's completely free. It's all hosted within Microsoft Windows Azure shared instance. And this is the basic package that's completely free to the end user. There is no support or maintenance with this, just using FAQ support. And if you need any kind of service level agreements, or if you need maintenance or support